Ever felt like your insides just needed a reset button? Well, nature has handed us the remote control, and I'm here to guide you through pressing refresh. Our body is an incredible machine, and just like any machine, it needs regular maintenance. Especially as we age, it becomes even more crucial to ensure our inner systems are running smoothly and efficiently. Now, the colon plays a monumental role in this process, and today I'm diving deep into 7 proven methods for a natural colon cleanse. Whether you're feeling bloated, sluggish, or just curious about giving your body the gentle detox it craves, stick with me till the end. These tips could be the game changers you've been waiting for. Sure, there's the store-bought route with those fancy colon cleansing products, or you could even consider a spa-like colonic irrigation or enema session. But wait, before you whip out your wallet, did you know there's a treasure trove of natural colon-boosting magic right at your fingertips? Yep, right in the cozy comfort of your home. The best part? These natural colon cleanses won't break the bank, and with a sprinkle of caution and care, they're super safe. Let's dive in and discover these golden secrets together. Number 1, saltwater flush. Ever thought about giving your system a gentle ocean wave reset? Saltwater flushing might just be your natural answer, especially if constipation's got you down. Now let's be real for a second. The science isn't overflowing here. An interesting 2010 study did hint at some potential. Participants sipping lukewarm saline water while busting out some yoga moves showed promising results in pre-colonoscopy prep when compared to the usual cleansing solution. Fast forward to 2018, another study gave the nod to sodium phosphate solutions for colon prep. However, they too were mainly focusing on the run-up to colonoscopies. Sure, you'll find a bunch of online tales about personal saltwater flush successes, but as we all know, while anecdotes are intriguing, they're not conclusive proof. Considering a saltwater plunge? Always have a chat with your doctor first. But if you're game, here's the 101. Start your day by stirring 2 teaspoons of nature's finest. We're talking sea salt or Himalayan pink into lukewarm water. Bottoms up. Drink up swiftly on an empty stomach, and soon enough nature might just call. Maybe more than once. Here's a pro tip. Stick close to home, especially near your throne after this cleanse. Multiple royal visits might be on the cards. Number 2, high fiber. Picture this. Fiber, nature's very own broom, sweeping through your system and jazzing up your colon's health. Found in the best of Mother Nature's pantry, like fruits, veggies, grains, and those crunchy nuts and seeds, fiber is the unsung hero of the dietary world. Ever wondered why plants are so cool? Apart from giving us oxygen, big thanks for that, they're packed with cellulose and fibers. These nifty components do a fabulous job of adding some oomph to the leftover stuff in our colon. Not only do they kick constipation to the curb and keep overactive bowels in check, but they also moonlight as superstar prebiotics, boosting our gut's friendly bacteria. So here's the game plan. Go wild on high fiber foods. Not only will your colon throw a little thank you party, but your gut buddies, those friendly bacteria, will be grooving too. Number 3, smoothies and juices. Ever been caught up in the buzz around juices and smoothies? There's a reason these vibrant concoctions have taken the health world by storm. From those refreshing fruit bursts to the veggie delights and even the famed master cleanses, these drinks promise a world of goodness. Now let's dial down the hype a bit. Research hasn't fully backed these liquid dreams as colon-cleaning wonders, and in some corners, there are whispers of risks. But here's the twist. In moderation, these drinks can be pure gold. You see, while they're not the magical elixir some claim, they do pack a punch with fiber and nutrients that give digestion a nice little boost. And let's not forget about hydration. Those sips help keep things, well, moving along smoothly. Bonus tip, eating whole fruits doesn't just delight your taste buds. They're like a spa day for your gut, promoting a happier microbiome and smoother bowel movements. Number 4, probiotics. Ever imagined a rave happening inside your gut? Well, probiotics are the star DJs of that party. And trust me, they know how to get things grooving in there. Not only can they help give your colon a good old spruce up, but these tiny mighty bacteria boost your health in so many rockstar ways. Want in on the action? You can pop some probiotic supplements, or better yet, munch on foods that are naturally brimming with them. Think creamy yogurt, spicy kimchi, crunchy pickles, and a range of other fermented wonders. Here's the cool part. With the backup of fiber and resistant starches, probiotics flood your gut with the good guys. The result? Reduced inflammation and a steadier, smoother digestive rhythm, like the beat of a healthy colon's heart. And speaking of intriguing guests at this party, ever heard of apple cider vinegar? Some consider it a probiotic superstar. With its stash of enzymes and acids, it's believed to keep those pesky bad bacteria in check. Though, a heads up, science is still RSVPing to that claim, with only a few animal studies having checked in so far. So let's keep our ears to the ground and our guts dancing. Number 5, herbal teas. Picture this, a steaming cup of herbal tea, its soothing aroma swirling around, promising not just comfort, but also a gentle nudge to your colon's well-being. Among the leafy legends, you've got the laxative heavyweights like psyllium, aloe vera, marshmallow root, and slippery elm. These botanical buddies can be real champs when constipation tries to rain on your parade. But a word to the wise, before diving into these herbal waters, have a heart-to-heart with your doctor. And remember, moderation is key. These herbs, while helpful, come with a handle with care label. Overdoing it? Not the best tea party move. Then there's the spicy trio: ginger, garlic, and cayenne pepper. Packed with antimicrobial phytochemicals, these sassy herbs have a rep for keeping bad bacteria at bay. You'll often find them being the life of the cleanse party, although science is still sending out its RSVP. Number 6, juice fast. Ever been tempted to take a deep dive into the world of juice fast, sipping on apple, lemon, or those lush veggie concoctions? Well, hold on to your straws, because there's a twist in this tale. Enter smoothies, the richer, more textured cousins of juices. Why might they have an edge? The magic lies in the pulp and skins that usually get benched when we're juicing. Those elements are jam-packed with fiber, the colon's BFF. And guess what? Smoothies come to the party with that fiber in tow. Now here's some food, or should I say drink, for thought. A 2017 study did hint at potential weight loss after a 3-day fruit or veggie diet spree. But let's pump the brakes a bit. Science is still brewing more research on that front. The grand takeaway? You don't have to be on a juice or smoothie marathon to soak up the goodness. Maybe just jazz up your day with a glass of either, or both. It's a tasty way to toast to better health. Number 7, resistant starches. Ever heard of those? Think of them as fiber's cool, lesser-known cousin, rocking the same groove but with its unique flair. You'll find these heroes hiding in your favorite foods. Think potatoes, rice, legumes, those intriguing green bananas, and even grains. Their superpower? Giving your gut's microflora a healthy boost, setting the stage for a superstar colon performance. Now there's a little plot twist. These star players roll with the carb crew, but if you're side-eyeing those carbs, fret not. Some of these foods, like whole wheat, green bananas, or lentils, are like smooth operators on the blood sugar dance floor, causing fewer spikes. Incorporating them is a smart move. Just like fiber, they're your ticket to a fresh, clean, and groovy colon. So next time you're planning a meal, maybe give a nod to these unsung heroes. Your gut will thank you with an encore. Now I'm curious, which method resonates with you? Are you team juice or all about those resistant starches? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. And if you found this guide enlightening, hit that like button. Remember, every like, every comment helps others discover the path to a happier, healthier colon. Until next time, stay cleansed, stay inspired, and always keep that gut feeling good. See you in the next video.